When did it? What time did they give you this assignment?
About 3:30.
3:30. Okay. Do
They,
they
they close at around
what
3.
what do, okay, but I'm saying what do they expect of you? How long are they giving you to finish this? Like a day, 2 days, 3 days?
Thursday, because
Oh, okay.
Thursday he
So you
wants
have
to.
time.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. Good. So they're willing to teach you then. That's what they're saying.
Right.
So they want you to try it first and then they're gonna teach you,
Right.
right? Oh, that's not bad. You're gonna be ahead of them. So this is saying create our own Lightning record pages for CSP, right? So that's the application
Hmm.
for the work order and the order line items. Let's do that, right? So go back to the application. Okay, you already know this is called what? What is the name of the Lightning page?
Work order record page.
Okay. Go back to where our Lightning app folder, right? Now, go to the work order record page.
Hmm.
Yeah, where is it? Oh, no, no, no.
Hmm.
Hold on, Jermaine. You're looking at a list view here. A list view of what?
Of the record pages, the current Lightning pages. Sorry.
Jermaine, you see where it says view?
Yeah.
What kind of pages are you looking at? What, you don't see where it says view. Show me view with your mouse.
Hold on. I'm missing something. Give me a second. I
Why
just
did
saw
you tell me you saw a
it.
view?
I thought I just
It's not
saw it right here.
on the,
Right
yes.
here.
What are you viewing?
Home pages.
Do all. Okay? Because there are record pages and app pages. You see?
Yeah, that's your
And
fault.
what is he telling you to create a what? What kind of page?
Work order record page or
What
a
kind
new
of page?
a new
Jimmy, read it because you're not
Lightning
listening to
record
what he's
page.
saying.
Create our own Lightning record page
Create
for
our own.
the
Yeah.
CSP.
Now it's not going to be a home page. It's not going to be a home page. That's fine. It's going to be an app page.
Right.
Yeah. So it's actually going to be a record page. That's what he wants you to do. He wants you to create a Lightning record page, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Go back to your Lightning app folder. Okay. Now let's take the right, click on that. We should be able to find the work order page.
I don't see it.
Where is it? There's a work type. Mhm. And we would just clone it, but there's welcome, white, work item, agile. All right, let's see. Oh, okay. What was it
Is it?
called again?
I thought work order record
Dim-
page.
Work order record page, yeah?
Oh.
Okay. It is called work order record page. I wonder if this is some, oh, you see the developer name work order record page on the right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, so this is that. Drop down the, you see it says pages over there on the in the blue.
Hey, yeah.
Drop that down, let me see. Okay, so you could do a new page here. Do a new page. Let's see what that does. Yeah, do next.
You
Yeah,
don't
do
do
a
a record
record
page.
page. Yeah, yeah. This is gonna create from scratch, but that's fine. And so he wants to call it CSP work order record page, right?
And for the work order line items too, he said.
We'll get to that later. First, this one. No, so this. See, I didn't want to do it this way. I wanted to copy it from. I wanted to clone it. That's why I
Clone
made you
from
go into the
Salesforce.
other. Yeah, try that. Yeah, maybe this is where you could do it. No, okay, this is from here. Click on full view. Let me see that for a second. And these are not okay. Let's X this out because we should be able to find that work order record page. And go, yeah, work order. But there's no work order record page, right?
This worker record page. What?
You know what? It's probably the API name. API name must be there. Click on, you see where it says name?
Yeah.
Click on the word name up there because they're going to sort by name. Now click on W. See if there's a work order record page here. No, it's not here. Why can't we find it? It's like that's some kind of that's the page that is not available to us. Why? And we're under all.
Hmm.
All right, I guess we'll have to create our own from that. Let's do that new page again. We can't really use the app builder like this, but let's do it this way. This is what we want to have, right? So, do you know how to clone the
Well,
page?
wait a minute.
How
What
to
about
clone? Yeah.
the work order line items? Is that it there? Let me see. Work item. No, agile.
There's no work order.
Yeah.
We're not going to use this. X this out.
Okay.
Okay. Now, could you duplicate this page? Do you know how to do that? Duplicate tab.
Mm.
Okay. So we'll just do whatever they did here, right? X this out. X that middle thing there. Okay, now let's create a new page, right? So drop down the pages, okay, and new page. Okay, make it a record page. Okay, now call this CSP work order record page. Okay, now which one of these to use?
Let's see. I think, let me see, headerless. Something like this one, I guess, is fine.
Jermaine, which one did they use? That's why I kept it open for you.
This one.
Yes. Which one is this one?
This is
How do you
the
know? Yeah.
um desktop shrink to view. Okay.
Stop. Don't click. You see how this is on the highlights panel on the right?
Yeah.
Show it to me. Okay. What's before it?
Page.
Click on page. Okay. This tells you about the page.
Mm-hmm.
What template is it using?
Header and right sidebar.
There you go. Okay. Finish it. Okay. X that out. What do you put on the top component?
So we're going to mimic this one, which is going to be the work order. This one, highlights panel.
Mhm. You're starting to get some experience now. Good. Yeah. That. So you go to the components, you get the highlights panel, and drag it in. Okay. Good.
Then here,
Click on that. What is this called?
tabs.
Put a tab in, put tabs in there. Okay, what's the first one called? Not related. It's called what?
Feed.
And what's the next one called?
Related.
Okay. Go and see if you can duplicate that. So related is the second one, right? How do you reposition it? And now the first one is not details, it's
Details
what?
is feed.
Okay, don't add the tab, Jermaine. There's only two tabs there. Go back to it and just try to memorize it. Go look at it. How many tabs are there?
2.
So why are you creating a third one?
Oh, no, I was just going to call it feed and then take out details.
Jermaine, click on details. Change the name of this to feed. What goes into feed?
Chatter.
Yeah, you click in there and see it should say chatter. Okay.
Mhm.
Good. It's looking exactly like that. What's the next one? Jermaine,
Yeah,
did you not know it said related?
yeah. But I was gonna
Then why
click
did
on
you
the
go back
because I was gonna click on the related for the other one and see what was in
to see
that
what
one.
component it is?
Right.
Okay, there you go. All right. Hey, what's in it?
Related list. Okay.
Yes. You see how it's good to be working in Salesforce? You get to do this stuff and you get to understand it more.
Mhm. Bam.
Now you built those two things. Great. What else?
So then
Well, first set the default. Which one's defaulted in this one?
should be feed.
Now, what's the component on the right?
Details and then work plans.
No. Go back to it, Jermaine. Click over
Or
there.
tabs.
What it? Yes. What's the first tab? Okay. What belongs in the details?
Hold
Okay,
on.
yeah.
Just okay,
Yeah.
details. The record detail.
Mm-hmm.
That which belongs in the work plans. Work plan. Okay. But this is not in the layout, so
Work plans is not in the layout. Okay. Work plans. Okay. Go back to where you were, to the one you're building. Okay. Save this. Okay. Right, now you have to activate it. Now I want you to read this carefully. What is it that he wants you to do?
Put it in both the work orders and the work order line items. So,
Stop for a second, Jermaine. What are you doing here? No, no, what? Stop. Go back to this activation page. What, what? Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. What does activation mean?
To activate on what page or what, in this case, org, do I want to activate this page on?
Jermaine, do you know what you're talking about?
Okay, now.
Okay, thank you for being honest, right? Okay, you see what says org default? What does that
Hmm.
mean?
The default org that I want to use to display for all work order records.
Tell me, explain it in English to me.
Mm. Okay, what is the default org that I want to use for this particular record page?
What is it? No, Jermaine.
No? Okay, I don't know.
What is saying is the record page you just created, right? Do you want that to be the default for the entire org, no matter which app you're in?
The answer is no.
Right. Go to the next tab where it says app default. What does this say? And what does this mean?
The same thing, but except for, or does it, do I want it for all the apps or the,
No, this is
no?
saying for a app.
App. Okay.
It doesn't say all the apps. It says assign as an app default to some app.
Okay.
Do we not want this?
Yeah, but I thought we also need to add the record type he was talking about.
Okay. So, but which record type is he talking about?
Go back to the email. For both objects. Therefore, assign them to the CSP service request record types
Okay.
on both
CSP
objects.
service requests record types. Okay. Go back to the activation again. Okay, click where it says app record type and profile. Okay, click on where it says sign apps, record types, and profile. Okay. Now, so we are talking about the CSP, right? So go down to CSP. Okay, click on that. Okay, go next. Okay, next. Okay, and he says CSP service request, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, click on that, go next. Which profiles? All of them?
Um, let me see. Standard user.
Well, let's take a look at these. Uh, Keep on scrolling down. Let's see if any of them make sense to add them to. Like if there's a CSP user, but it doesn't seem like there is.
Standard platform user.
I would say give it to the sysadmin first. Okay. Now keep on scrolling down. Let's see if there's anything else. I would say don't give it to anyone else until he confirms which profile. So just leave it at system admin, but you're going to come back to him and say, which profiles do I give the new page to? Or what you're going to do is reply to him and say, I created the Lightning app pages, right? And I gave it only to the sysadmin profile, right? And the record type that you wanted it for. But you have not told me which profiles. You see what I mean?
Wait a minute, because he told me that there's only going to be two profiles that we're using.
Okay. Which two?
Give me a second. Mhm. I believe TSA standard platform user is one.
Okay, check it off.
And then the standard platform user was the other. I'm almost certain that those are the two.
Okay, check it off. You could just tell them what you did. Okay, do next.
You know what? It's
So
better if I just leave it with the system admin and then have him tell me to add it to the other profiles.
then go back and take
Because
those two
yeah,
off.
because I don't want to do that and then give people
And
access. And
no, that's not, you're not giving them access. You're just assigning the page, this record page to it. That's all you're doing. But you ask them about which profiles. Tell me you only have it for the system admin, right?
matter of fact, let me reply to him now. Hmm. Hello, Nicholas. I created a new Lightning record page for
Yeah,
CSP.
I think
As
you
you,
should wait because you should create both of them and then send them the email because they both have the same problem.
you're right, actually. Okay.
Save this. Okay. So you're good with this. Now let's do the one for the work items. How do we do that?
So now, excuse me. Okay, so I'm gonna go to here. Uh, hold on. Excuse me.
Mhm.
Go here and then go here. Set up.
No, no, Jimmy,
Because I was
go
gonna
back
go to
again.
Lightning. I was gonna go to app Lightning app builder and then just clone it.
Is it there? Go and see if it's there then.
That's what I want to see.
No, it's not going to be there because there's no work order
Okay,
anywhere.
you're right. Okay. So CSP work order record page. So then I'm gonna do a save and then act.
No,
Oh,
Jermaine. No, no, Jermaine.
okay, I don't know.
First, go to the one on the left. Okay. Now, we're not using this, right? So go back. Now you need to bring up the work line item. Where is that? Work order line item. Jermaine, go back. Go back. Don't click unless you know what you're doing. There's no point in clicking on the case. Go up. What do you think the work order line item is?
Hmm.
Just answer the question without scrolling.
I don't see it. Maybe it's
Of course you don't
unrelated.
see. Yes, it's a line item to the work order. You see
Okay.
it there?
Yes.
Create a new one. Okay. Status new. Looks like orders is not necessary. Parent work order line item. You don't need that right now. Scroll it down. Just make sure that there's no standard stuff. Nothing required. Description, I guess it's not even required. So that's fine. Just save it. Okay. Now bring it up. Okay. This is your work order line item. You get it?
Yeah.
And what are we going to do?
Edit page. So the work order line item record page.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you got to save.
No,
No,
Jermaine.
no, no. We got to duplicate, and then
Yes.
read.
Yeah, so get rid of that last one. You don't need it anymore. Okay, duplicate this.
Mm,
This is what you're going to change.
okay. So if I'm duplicating it, give me a second. What am I getting rid of? Oh, no.
Yeah, now you're remembering.
New page. Okay. Yeah. Record page. Okay. Now this is going to be CSP,
Yeah,
work order, line item, record page.
yeah. Right. Makes sense now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you put on top?
This is going to be the highlights panel.
Okay. What do you put in the component there?
This is going to be the tabs, and then it's going to be chatter, and then related. Okay.
No, it's not called that. It's called feeds.
Well, feed. Sorry. Yeah. I'm going to change this to feed as a default. Default one's going to be feed. Okay. And then this is going to be chatter.
Go ahead.
And then for the related list. Okay, and then this is going to be tabs, and then work details, work plans. Okay. Details, work plans. So details go first, and then here work plans. Second. Details is going to be record detail. Okay, now I'm going to save this. Activate for app record, this one, CSP. Even though we can't use a phone yet, only I'm going to use system admin. Okay.
Now, let's fix the work plans. How do you fix it?
Let's see. Okay, so it's not a related list. It's not in the layout. So I don't know how to fix this.
What do you mean? You don't know how to fix the layout?
Well, click on here. And then what I'm going to do, related list here.
No, it's a
No,
man.
I got less than a minute.
Send me another link. Let's fix
Okay,
this.
all right.